Hello guys, good day and welcome. I'm Architect Jojo Golpeo. I'm a registered and licensed architect in the Philippines. If you're new here, this channel is all about architecture and construction methodology. And today, I would like to share with you the Makati Skyscraper. Let's check and identify the buildings we need. We will feature the Makati skyline here and the Makati skyscraper. So we will go here on top. Hello guys. Okay, now I will tour you 360 degrees of the Makati skyscraper. So these are all the surrounding buildings here in one of our projects. You see here the Makati Skyscraper. So Makati is the center of business corporation throughout the country. It has all the amenities and recreational facilities that satisfies the needs of its people. The urban character of Makati is a picture of buildings that stand as proud landmarks. Okay. Let us now check and identify those buildings and surrounding buildings here in Makati. Let's start over here. Okay, so these are all the surrounding buildings in Makati. So we will just first identify these buildings as you see, and I will just have to focus it. So these are Century City buildings. So these are all composed of complex buildings. So let's identify this one. This one, the one I focus, is the Trump Tower. The Trump Tower, Manila, also known as Trump Tower at Century City, is a residential building. It is a 58-story building. Now, adjacent on it is the Gramercy building. You see here, that is the Gramercy building, which is beside the Trump Tower. So the Gramercy building, or Gramercy Residences, is a residential condominium, is one of the tallest building in 2016 with 71 story floors and a building height of 244 meters. Okay, let's identify the other one. So this one with all glass building, this is the Century Swire. The Century Swire is a mixed-use under construction. It has 60 floors or 60-story buildings, and with 251 meters building height. It is designed by architect Daniel Livescan. Now, beside it is with the building beside the Century Spire, this one building and the other one building. These are the Knightsbridge building or residences. It's a high-end residential with 60 number of floors and a building height of 210 meters. Was also part of the Century City. Okay, so let's move forward here. So you can see here with the logo of Petron. So this building is the Petron Mega Plaza. It's an office skyscraper previously held the title as the tallest building in the Philippines from 1998 to 2000. It has a 45-story building floors with a building height of 210 meters. It was designed by Skidmore, Owings, and Merrill. Let's move forward. So you will see here is a series of buildings. So you see here this building with white vertical lines and with glass cladding. This is the Dowell Tower Residences. The Dowell Tower Residences is a 35-story high-rise building, a project of Dowell Container and Packaging Corporation. Behind it is the Swillig building. The Swillig building is an office skyscraper. It is a 33-story building and with a height of 160 meters. It is designed by Skidmore, Owings, and Merrills. So this another building with the curtain wall, with the glass curtain wall, is the Ayala Triangle Gardens. The Ayala Triangle Gardens is a mixed-use development with office, hotel, and retail amenities. It is a 40-story building and with a building height of 194.6 meters. And you see here in the background with the tower crane, this one is the one we manage project. This is the Lux Tower. The Lux Tower is a 37-story building. It is a mixed-use building. It has a height of 126.30 meters and it is now in full swing under construction. So we are now in the 32nd floor. Okay, so moving through. So the next tower we can see here is it has a mark on top of the building is the Citadel Inn. It is a hotel and a 38-story hotel. Okay, so let's move around here in the Makati Skyscrapers.The. So we'll see here is a series of buildings. And now you can see this one, the iconic one building. So most of us are know this building. So this building is the PBCom Tower or Philippine Bank of Communication Tower. It is an office skyscraper ranked as the second tallest building in the Philippines. It has a 52-story building and with a height of 259 meters. It was designed by Skidmore, Owings, and Merrill. Okay, so let's move forward. So you will see here, I zoom the screen, so you will see a Spire. So that is the GT International Tower. GT Tower International, an office skyscraper. The GT in the name stands for George T, which is the building owner. Standing at a height of 217 meters and currently the 10th tallest building in the Philippines with 43 number of floors. It was designed by Juan Peterson Pax. Okay, so the next building we identify is here with also with all glass and curtain wall. It is the RCBC Plaza. an office skyscraper, and currently the 8th tallest building in Makati. The Tower 1 is 192 meters, 46 story, and the Tower 2 is 170 meters, 41 story. The lead designer or the architect of this RCBC Plaza building is Skidmore, Owings, and Merrill. So beside the RCBC Plaza, or adjacent to RCBC Plaza, it is the Shang Salcedo place, designed to look like tip of a well-crafted fountain pen being pointed upward, set to stand 67 stories high. The tower stands 249.8 meters. It was designed by Pimentel Rodriguez Sembulan. So let's move forward. So as you see here, also in the background, this one is the SM Just Residences. Now beside the, adjacent to the SM or the SM Just, this building is the Grand Soho Makati, is a residential skyscraper set to stand at 41 story. The tower stands or building height of 153 meters. Now beside the Grand Soho Makati, so we just only see here the top of the roof deck. It's the Salcedo Sky Suites. It's a 32-story building. Okay, so from afar, of course, yeah, that is the seat of government of our leaders in Makati. This is the Makati City Hall. Then moving forward, so this building also, as you see, with the beige color facade, the building is the Salcedo Park. And these are some of the buildings surrounded the skyscraper. So some of you will identify all these buildings, but I just named a few that I know for now. Okay, then afar you can see that's the building. I think that is BGC or Bonifacio Global City. Okay, so I will tour you again and let's have a second look of all the surrounding buildings here. So you'll see the tallest buildings and the low-rise building surrounding here in Makati. So some of you will identify it, I know. Okay, that is the signature of strong economy of our country, the Philippines. Hello guys, I hope you enjoy the scenery of the Makati skyline and the Makati skyscraper. It is a symbol of economic progress of our country, the Philippines. For more updates about architecture and construction methodology, please subscribe and follow me. I'm Architect Jojo Golpeo, sharing with you what Arki knows. Thank you very much and God bless you.